Hi, I'm Joe Miller from 3M's Commercial Solutions Division. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the 3M Clean and Shine Floor Pad and the 3M Clean and Shine Daily Floor Enhancer. Now, the Clean and Shine pad, it's a non-woven, dual-sided pad, so you use both sides. And it's a pad that you use for daily scrubbing, daily cleaning, but it can actually improve the gloss of your floor with consistent everyday use. The Daily Floor Enhancer chemical can be used in tandem with the Clean and Shine pad to further improve the appearance of your floor.
Before we get started, we need to check a couple of things. The first one might be obvious, but make sure you have the right size pads for your machine. You can contact the manufacturer of your auto scrubber if you're not sure. The second thing is to make sure you have a center pad clip. If you've lost your pad clip, order a replacement. They're not very expensive, but they'll ensure that the pad functions as intended and you'll get the most out of the Clean and Shine. Step 1. Dust the floor. Dusting, sweeping, or dry mopping should always be done before scrubbing the floor to remove any dust, dirt, and debris. Step 2 is to rinse the Clean and Shine pad with water under the tap to get it wet. Step 3, attach the Clean and Shine pad to the pad holder using the center pad clip and mount it to the auto scrubber. Step 4, if you're using the Clean and Shine Daily Floor Enhancer, measure out the correct amount of chemical to use based on the tank size of your machine. Starting with an empty tank, fill it partway with water. Then add the Daily Floor Enhancer and finish filling the rest of the tank with water. The last step is once you're finished scrubbing the floor, remove the Clean and Shine pad and rinse or hose it clean with water. Then hang it up to dry. As you continue using the Clean and Shine pad, the brown coating will gradually wear down. Once you notice that the coating is gone and the pad surface appears to be mostly yellow, that's when you know it's time to flip the pad over and begin using the other side. When both sides have worn down, then it's time to replace the pad. To recap, here is a list of the points that we discussed.
Thank you for watching. For more information, please click on the link below or contact your state's 3M sales representative.